What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to connect our WordPress website with Google Search Console tools, okay? So what is Google Search? It's a web service from Google that help us to improve, to review the performance of our site into the Google search engine, okay? So it's a very useful SEO tools, and you need to have your website on it independently of the CMS that you are using, okay? In my case, I'm gonna be connecting this website to Google Search Console, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in order to use internet on your site's favor. After this made, let's continue. First of all, go to Google, type Google Search Console. This is the very first result, search.google.com. You're gonna be into a page like this one. Click on Start Now. You're gonna be into this welcome message. You can check a couple of methods in order to verify your site, okay? So we're gonna use the URL prefix option right here, okay? But how to get the website URL? Go to our WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover your mouse over settings and go to general, okay? Right here, you're gonna be able to see the site address, okay? So this is the URL of your site. Now, let's come back to Google Search Console, enter the full URL right here, okay, including the HTTPS, go to continue. We're gonna start the verification, okay? So, right here we have a couple of methods to verify your site. How to do this? The easier method is go to HTML tag, okay? We have no need to use HTML, we just need to copy this part of the code, the handle numbers, okay, these numbers and letters code right here. Nothing else, no need to use this meta tag. Copy this part right here and go back to our WordPress website. I'm gonna assume that at this point you already have Yoast SEO plugin, the free version, no need to have the pro already installed. If not, go to the YouTube channel on the Visual Model and check the Yoast SEO and the SEO playlist of our channel in order to learn how to install, how to set up. But after the plugin installed, you're gonna be able to see into the left sidebar of menu of your WordPress website a button called Yoast SEO. Right here, go to General, for example, okay? Move to Settings on the Yoast SEO submenus. Let's skip this, and right here it's where the fun begins, because into this left side, this middle left sidebar, we can see under General Site Connections, okay? Click on it, and from here, Google verification code. Enter with the code that you just copied on Google, okay? Click on Save Changes. Great, changes are saved. Let's go back. Here is where I got the code, okay? No need to download this file. We have HTML tag, copy the code right here, and now click on Verify. This may take a minute, okay? So Google gonna check your site. Ownership verified. So the Google already find the code present on your site, meta tag. Click on Done, and now you can go to Property, okay? So welcome to Search Console. According to the time that Google collects data from your site, it's gonna start showing you examples, possible problems, performance reports, site reports, enhancements, improvements, okay? A lot of information, useful information gonna be present right here, okay? So I recommend that you come back right here like every month, for example, in order to learn more about it. And that is, you already have the property. In the case that you need to enter another site, click on Add Property right here into the Google Search Console, and you can do the same process. Simple, easy, and effective. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because tomorrow's video gonna explain how to do this using the all-in-one SEO plugin, okay? But for this, it's all we have to do. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out the Borderless WordPress plugin in order to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor or Gutenberg editor. And in the case that there are needs of the best free WordPress theme, go to the WordPress dashboard, Appearance, Themes, Add New, search for Enzu WordPress theme, click on Install and activate it. It's completely free, just like our Borderless plugin. And gonna gives you pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, templates, amazing menu customization options, and many more features that not even some premium themes offer. Moreover, in the case that you want to go premium in order to unlock access to our templates library, premium icon assets, premium blocks, templates, widgets, full support, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, and go premium. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!